Alright, I'm out here at McKinney Avenue in Albertville, Alabama, as you can see. And right now there's a couple signal maintainers up there at US 431 replacing a gate arm, it looks like. You can see the signals are active down there. There should be a train coming, hopefully anyways. Hopefully I didn't accidentally sing garbage while too long and miss it, but I'm gonna probably see about recording this crossing, but as you can see, they've installed the new signal here. The signal appears to be a mixture of reused equipment, at least from another signal, or maybe even the older signal that was here, and newer equipment. Base is SafeTran. The base on it's SafeTran. Then we've got a SafeTran gate mechanism. Then right here is the emergency information. And before I get to the lights themselves, the bracket they're mounted on, interestingly enough, is a USNS bracket. For anyone who wants to see what a newer one looks like. And lights are a pair of Westcon 12x24 inch lights and a pair of SafeTran 12x24 inch lights, all with Electro-tech LEDs. Zooming in up here, you see we got a Electro-tech LED there, along with our one there. Right there's the one of the Westcon Haze lights. Right, there's one of the SafeTran lights, which I suspect might be reused from the old signal. The bell here is a General Signals electronic bell now. Another one, don't know if it's the Type 1 that was here, but it kind of looks very modern, so it looks a bit newer even though it is reused. It might be, it's probably a Type 2. Then the gate lights, we have one Ricoh LED gate light, which I believe came from the old signal. And then two NEG LED gate lights, which are new and replacements for the Ricoh incandescents it had. No other changes appear to have occurred here. That signal's still fully incandescent outside of the gate lights, of course. So, I'm gonna set up, hopefully the 18 comes soon, they don't have to switch any customers on the north side of Albertville. So they didn't get burst and leaves lost. To something I want to say. So yeah. Just thought to show you an update here to McKinney Avenue in Albertville, Alabama. So y'all can see the new signal installed here. Over and out.